Motion Tronic is an award-winning company providing world-class service to our customers across South Africa and beyond. With over 13 years in business, we have built a strong reputation for quality and service with a first-time attitude in everything we do. We work across a wide range of industries, including food and beverage, paper and packaging, plastics and metal fabrication. Our team is fully equipped to conduct preventative maintenance, source spare parts, and complete on-site repairs at component and machine level. We use our experience and expertise to design and custom-build machines and improve the functioning of existing machinery to ensure your competitive advantage. From our service and repair center to our projects division, we aim to exceed our customers' expectations time and time again, and we stand ready to do the same for you. Our core business focus is geared towards providing world-class leading sales and support to you and include service and maintenance, including servo motor repairs to all brands, on-site assessment and repairs, 24-hour breakdown customer support, quality spares and parts supply, project management and execution, technical consultation, PLC automation, including upgrades to existing applications, retrofits, and new installations, robotic automation. Motion Tronic offers KUKA robotics, electrical panel design and manufacturing, CAD mechanical and electrical design, custom purpose-built machines to meet your specific needs for production. Motion Tronic is also the only company in South Africa who can successfully repair all brands of servo motors, and we have imported specialized repair equipment in order to do this. We also hold some fantastic agencies to provide better product and service offerings to our extensive range of clientele: Baumoller, Microsonic, Servo Mold. So, whether it's designing and building a purpose-built machine or conducting an upgrade or repair, our team of experts will offer you a customized approach to your automation needs. So contact us today for a no-obligation, zero-pressure discussion on how to optimize the potential of your company's machine assets.